Aynice 38W Ultraviolet Germicidal Lamp UV Disinfection Light Mobile Quartz Tube 360 degrees UVC Cleaner Household Lamp, Remote Control. Professional disinfection. The ultraviolet and ozone emitted by the UV lamp will bring you double protection. High power designed to strengthen the disinfection capacity. 360 degrees wide beam angle sterilization rate of 99%. Safe to use. The sanitizer is made of the latest high-grade materials, which is not easy to age, insulated and safe. Remote and timing control. You only need to press the remote control. Contain a battery. You can enjoy the fresh air after a few minutes. 3 timing MOD 15/30 60 minutes. Designs allow you to choose flexibly to meet your needs. Wide coverage. The unique shape and high-power design provide a solution for disinfection of large spaces, covering a wide range, removing odors and dust particles, completely improving your living environment effectively. Suitable for different places. This sterilizer is suitable for hygienic use in large places such as homes, lofts, offices, factories, schools, restaurants, clinics, hospitals, basements, shopping malls, etc. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.